drowned in a chorus of cheers and whistles.